Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for all things investment. Today, we delve into the world of renewable energy stocks and how to invest in them for long-term profit. Here at HouseLux Estate, we're all about providing you with the knowledge and the tools you need to make informed investment decisions. We believe in the power of information, and our goal is to help you navigate the investment landscape with confidence. Now let's turn our attention to renewable energy. As the world grapples with the effects of climate change, the shift towards renewable energy sources is not just an environmental necessity, but also a significant investment opportunity. Renewable energy has the potential for substantial long-term profitability as the demand for cleaner, sustainable energy sources continues to rise. So how can you tap into this burgeoning market? How can you make the most of this opportunity? Stick around as we break down this process into simple, easy-to-understand steps. Before diving into the investment process, it's important to understand what renewable energy stocks are. Renewable energy is a term that covers several different industries. It includes solar, wind, hydroelectric, and bioenergy, among others. These resources are infinite and do not deplete over time, unlike fossil fuels. Renewable energy companies are those that harness these resources and convert them into usable energy. They are involved in various stages of the process, from manufacturing equipment like solar panels and wind turbines to operating renewable power plants, and even servicing and maintaining these facilities. Now, how do these companies tie into the stock market? Well, many of these companies are publicly traded, meaning they sell shares of their company to the public to raise funds for growth and expansion. When you buy a share of a renewable energy company, you essentially become a part owner of that company. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your stock increases. The renewable energy market has enormous growth potential. In fact, it's one of the fastest growing sectors globally. According to a report by the International Energy Agency, renewable energy capacity is expected to grow by about 7% annually over the next 5 years. This growth is driven by technological advancements, declining costs, and increasing consumer demand for clean energy. Moreover, governments around the world are implementing policies to promote renewable energy and combat climate change. For instance, many countries have set ambitious goals to reduce their carbon emissions and increase their use of renewable energy. These policies create a favorable environment for renewable energy companies to thrive. Investing in renewable energy stocks allows you to participate in this growth story. It offers the potential for substantial long-term gains. However, like any investment, it comes with its own set of risks. It's crucial to conduct thorough research and understand the specific challenges facing the renewable energy sector. Now that we've understood what renewable energy stocks are, let's move to the next step: how to choose the right ones. Choosing the right stocks is crucial for your investment portfolio. But how do you identify the right renewable energy stocks? The first step in making the right choice is to look at company performance. Examine the company's financial health, growth prospects, and track record. A company with a solid balance sheet and a history of robust growth may be a safe bet. Next, consider the industry trends. The renewable energy sector is rapidly evolving, with new technologies and solutions emerging regularly. Companies that are at the forefront of these advancements, or those that are well positioned to take advantage of them, could be promising investments. Government policies can also have a significant impact on renewable energy companies. Policies that incentivize the use of renewable energy, such as tax credits or subsidies, can boost the profitability of companies in the sector. On the other hand, changes in these policies can also pose risks. Therefore, it's important to stay informed about policy developments in the countries where your potential investment operates. Lastly, consider the company's sustainability plans. As we transition to a greener economy, companies that are committed to sustainable practices are likely to perform better in the long run. Look for companies that are reducing their carbon footprint, investing in clean technologies, and promoting sustainable practices in their operations. But remember, investing in renewable energy stocks is not just about picking the right companies. It's about understanding the market dynamics, staying informed about industry developments, and making informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. In the end, the key to a successful investment in renewable energy stocks lies in diligent research, careful analysis, and a long-term perspective. Investing is not a sprint, but a marathon, And with the right strategy and patience, you can reap the benefits of the growing renewable energy sector. With these factors in mind, you can identify potential stocks. But how do you actually make the investment? Let's explore that next. You've identified potential stocks, now it's time to make the investment. So, how exactly do we go about this? The first step towards investing in renewable energy stocks, or any stocks for that matter, is opening a brokerage account. This is your gateway to the stock market. There are many online brokers available, each with their own unique features and benefits. It's crucial to choose a broker that aligns with your investing style and needs. For instance, if you're a beginner, you might want a broker that offers educational resources and easy-to-use tools. Once you've opened your brokerage account, it's time to research the stock you're interested in. Don't be swayed by buzzwords or trends. Instead, delve into the company's financials. Look at their earnings, revenue growth, and profit margins. Additionally, consider the company's competitive position within the renewable energy sector. Are they a leader or a follower? Do they have a unique technology or business model? These factors can greatly influence the stock's performance in the long run. Now, you're ready to place the order. With your brokerage account, you can buy shares of the stock. You can choose to buy at the current market price or set a limit order to buy the stock when it reaches a certain price. Remember, investing is not about timing the market, but time in the market. So don't fret too much about buying at the perfect price. After you've made the purchase, your job isn't over. Now you need to monitor your investment. Keep track of the company's performance and any news related to the renewable energy sector. Regularly review your portfolio and adjust as needed. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Patience and discipline are key. Once you've made the investment, the journey doesn't end there. The final step is managing your investment. Yes, investing in renewable energy stocks, like any investment, requires ongoing attention. But with due diligence, you can navigate the market and potentially reap the benefits of this burgeoning sector. Investing in renewable energy stocks is not a set-and-forget game. It requires active management. Like a garden, your investment needs regular attention and care to flourish. Let's dive into the strategies that can help you manage your stock investments effectively. Firstly, regular monitoring is key. Keep an eye on your portfolio's performance. Understand the ups and downs, and don't panic when the market fluctuates. Remember, investing in stocks is a long-term game. Short-term market volatility is normal and should not deter your long-term perspective. Secondly, consider portfolio rebalancing. This is the process of realigning the weightings of your portfolio of assets. Rebalancing involves periodically buying or selling assets to maintain an original or desired level of asset allocation or risk. For instance, if one of your stocks has done particularly well, it may now take up too large a portion of your portfolio. Selling off some of it to buy other assets can help maintain your desired asset balance. Next, staying updated with industry trends is crucial. The renewable energy sector is rapidly evolving, with new technologies, regulations, and market players emerging regularly. To make informed decisions, you need to stay on top of these changes. Regularly read industry news, follow thought leaders, and participate in investor forums. Lastly, let's talk about knowing when to sell. This can be tricky, but a good rule of thumb is to sell when the fundamentals of the company change for the worse. For instance, if a company you've invested in is consistently underperforming its peers, or if there are significant changes in the company's management or strategy, it might be time to reconsider your investment. Remember, every investment decision should be based on thorough research and consideration, not emotions or hasty reactions. And while it's important to be active in managing your investment, also remember that patience is a virtue in the world of long-term investing. By actively managing your investment, you can maximize your long-term profit in renewable energy stocks. So roll up your sleeves and let's get to nurturing that investment garden of yours. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've delved into the dynamic world of renewable energy stocks, dissecting what they are and their relevance in today's market. We've shed light on the importance of comprehending the renewable energy sector, its trends, and the potential for high returns. We then navigated the process of selecting the right renewable energy stocks. Key factors to consider include the company's financial health, growth potential, and its position in the market. We emphasize that an informed decision is a wise decision. Moving forward, we explained the actual process of investing in these stocks, highlighting the importance of diversifying your portfolio and mitigating risk. And finally, we discussed managing your investment, touching on the need for regular reviews and adjustments based on market fluctuations and personal financial goals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more investment insights. Until next time, happy investing.